from the beginning of the project to the end with this particular video. I'm just going to carry on from kind of the middle, but I'll talk to you a little bit about how to start the whole thing. So you're going to need 2 cardboard boxes. Okay, I've already gone ahead to prepare my outer crown and then my inner crown, sort of, that will be sitting inside the hat. Okay, so these 2 have been prepared and I have talked about it, like I said, in our previous video. So an A4 sheet paper, fold it into 2, so you should have it like that, into 4, you know, and measure 4 inches in radius and take it all the way around to catch a circle shape. Okay, this is very much in detail with the Kentucky Derby hat video, and I'm going to pin it to this video at the top somewhere so you can click on it immediately and take a look at it. Right, so when you've done that and you've cut out your circle shape, what you're going to do next is to split this line. So you're going to split a line from here to the center like that. Okay,